We are pleased to show you the 2018 GLC. The Mercedes-Benz GLC sets the bar for the luxury SUV, a midsize SUV that's all lean muscle and has a roomy new cabin full of style and substance, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, rear fog light, rear window defroster, security system. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.